Mercy Nungari ũrĩa ũrarũĩrĩra gĩturwa kĩa Women Rep Kiambu alongside wa Mũratha na Lois Kim nĩaremetwo kũhitha kĩeha gĩake. She took to her social media pages to express her sorrow and grievances na araruta mateta make akiuga nĩmaikarĩirio results mũno. She says the delay has now become too much na she can no longer remain quiet about it. Mercy Nungari arauga the Kiambu Women Rep votes are pending in tallying stations, and this is what she posted. The delay now is wanting. Votes still pending in tallying stations. We can't keep quiet anymore. The counting process taking too long. We will be patient to the end. Narogerera Daniel chapter 4 verse 17 akiuga the decision is announced by messengers. The holy ones declare the verdict so that the living may know that the Most High is sovereign over all kingdoms on earth and gives them to anyone he wishes and sets over them the lowliest of people. Na kumania na hau ndũmĩrĩri ĩno ya Mercy Nungari nĩĩratigire andũ aingĩ na kĩmako kĩnene mũno na mareyumĩria na njĩra nene mũno makiuga ona mareciragia atĩ kura ici cia Women Rep wa Kiambu nĩrĩkĩtie gũtarwo na mũcindi nginya agatangathwo, which is actually what has been going round on social media, atĩ her opponent is the one who has won and that chapter has been closed. Kumbe ona kura itirĩkĩtie gũtarwo nĩmaratigirwo mamakĩte mũno. Triza Ndungu araugire Allah, I thought the votes were counted and someone declared a winner. Kumbe bado, my hope is revived. Wishing you the best. Nake Njoki Ngoiri arauga, so the results are still not out for Kiambu Women Rep. Hope you clinch this seat, Aki. Nake Minji arauga, I'm shocked vile watu wamejicongratulate. Haiya. Nake Njoroge's daughter arauga, haija. You meant they have not announced, and who said the other aspirant wameshinda? We ni kwanyitana hanini. Nake Rose Mugwe aroria, if not yet done, Wamushut was being congratulated, how and why? Onake Jesse Jo aroria, haya, I thought hiyo story ilisha kitambo. The way some people are congratulating themselves. All the best, Nungash. Na icio nĩcio responses andũ marakorirwo makiruta. No Mercy Nungari has made it clear that the vote tallying is still ongoing, and so no one has yet been confirmed or announced as the winner yet. No mathiĩte na mbere gweterera, although she says the process is taking too long. Na ndũkariganĩrwo gũsubscribe gũkũ gwa Kikuyu Entertainment News kũrĩa tũkũrehagĩra the latest and trending Kikuyu celebrity news as soon as they happen. Join the team, subscribe now, and you'll never miss an update.